This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure iCloud Keychain is active so data syncs across devices. Once done, open the Passwords area in Settings or in Safari's Password Manager. You'll be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This initial step loads saved logins, secure notes, and any generated passwords. You're now at the control panel. Quick search, filters, and the plus button appear. Make sure syncing finishes before editing entries to avoid conflicts. You'll tap an entry to reveal details and use controls to copy, edit, or share credentials securely. Edit sync via iCloud. When you create new accounts, the app offers and stores strong generated passwords automatically, and autofill lets apps and websites insert them without typing. You can add secure notes or custom fields for extra data. Also, review security recommendations for reused or compromised passwords. They show why a change is needed and guide you to create unique replacements. To finish, confirm iCloud sync completed and that all devices run compatible OS versions so entries appear everywhere. For backups, rely on iCloud Keychain. Export only when you must and ensure encryption during transfer. If entries don't show, sign out and back into iCloud carefully, check network connectivity, and re-authenticate biometrics or passcode. One key troubleshooting tip: if data seems missing, toggle iCloud Keychain off and on after a minute to force resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.